Farrleey Filtration Co., Limited is a leading manufacturer of high-performance pleated filter cartridges and industrial filtration solutions. Upgrade your dust collection system with TANNSON flat panel filter cartridge, designed for energy, welding, PCB manufacturing, display and automotive painting lines industries. Enhance your filtration system with TANNSON flat panel filter cartridges. At Farrleey Filtration, we believe in helping our clients win over quality-conscious customers while ensuring sustainable and cost-effective air filtration solutions. Contact us today to discuss your filtration needs. Call us, +86 187 2130 2231, email us, katrina@farrleey.com.